grated beetroot. I grate it before using the blender just to avoid breaking my blender. Beetroot cake. I make it 5 eggs, 1 mug of sugar, a drop of white vinegar. The purpose of white vinegar so that I cannot taste the egg, because when there's plenty of egg, it's always appear the taste of the egg. So I always add a drop of white vinegar, and then 1 mug of cooking oil. It's vegetables oil. Anyway, I'm using sunflower oil. And then 4 medium size of beetroot. Blend it, but to avoid breaking your blender, you have to grate it with this one. Now I will mix it. Mixing it until fluffy. Now the mixture is ready. Everything is ready. I make it in 2 layers. 1 layer is plain beetroot, and the other one I will mix it with black grapes, black raisins. Black raisins and yellow raisins. So it will be organic cake. That's it. It will be in the oven